case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a complicated breach of fiduciary duty case, W. Clayton Rash, a former employee of JV Industrial Companies, Limited, JVIC, found himself under the scrutiny of the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit in 2007. The heart of the dispute? Rash's undisclosed ownership of a competing company while serving as an employee for JVIC, an organization specializing in industrial process plants management. The lawsuit initially unfolded when JVIC claimed Rash had failed to disclose his competing interests, thus violating his fiduciary duty, the legal obligation to act purely in the best interests of the employer. The district court initially rejected JVIC's claim, leading to an appeal that landed this fascinating case in the circuit court. The appeals court saw matters differently. Instead of agreeing with the district court, they ruled that Rash indeed owed a fiduciary duty to JVIC. They found that this fiduciary breach was a distinct issue altogether from the question of loyalty. The case was subsequently sent back to the district court, with instructions to ascertain the damages linked to the breach of fiduciary duty, and to deliberate if Rash's compensation from JVIC should be whittled down or even completely forfeited. The circuit court also made a critical decision regarding the duration of Rash's contract, ruling that his implied contract extension beyond the original 2-year term was valid, affirming the notion of contract renewal, even outside of its express terms indefinitely or for less than a year. The court ended up contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of the principle of the statute of frauds. In this pivotal case, the court concluded that Rash was liable for damages to JVIC sparked by the breaching of his fiduciary duty. Furthermore, they upheld the legitimacy of Rash's contract extension beyond the 2-year limit, broadening the scope of contract law and its interpretation, while creating a precedent for future such cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.